Miss Polar Bear here today with my lovely sidekick Ozzy. So today we're going to be talking about adjectives again. So if you didn't check out the other video about adjectives, I highly suggest you do so. But we will be reviewing the adjectives that we previously learned from the last video. Here we go. So our three review adjectives are descriptive, quantitative, and proper. So descriptive is probably the easiest form of an adjective, and it's probably the most recognizable. For example, pretty simple, it describes nouns and pronouns. For example, I have a fast car. Fast is the adjective there, because what kind of car it is? It's a fast one, or a slow one, or a red one. The other kind of adjective is quantitative, and this is all about numbers here. So it's providing info usually on how much of something. For example, if you're talking about how many cats someone owns, you're looking for the number there. They have 4 cats, they have 20 cats, however many cats they own. The last review adjective is proper. So this one is a lot like proper nouns where it's capitalized. So for example, the restaurant McDonald's. If you were to say, I like going to McDonald's, the restaurant, that's the proper noun version. But if you were to say, I like McDonald's burgers, burgers is the noun, and the word describing it is the adjective, and McDonald's is describing it, so McDonald's is the adjective. So let's check out our 3 new adjectives. So all 6 of these adjectives are going to be on the quiz that's going to take place on Monday, but not to fear, I'm going to repost this video on Sunday so that you can use it to study all 6 adjectives. And there is going to be a little study guide pre-quiz that I'm going to place over the weekend. It's not going to show up, it's going to show up as an assignment, but I'm not going to grade it. It's just so if you guys want to have extra practice before the quiz. So here we go. Adjectives 2. Number 4, possessive, shows possession or ownership. This is a lot like the pronouns that we learned about a month ago in class, but here are our 6 possessive adjectives. My, his, her, their, your, ours. For example, whose hairbrush is that? That's my hairbrush. Whose movie theater is that? That's their movie theater. The 5th adjective we're going to learn today is interrogative. They ask the questions, and think about kind of like an interrogation here. Which, what, or whose. And what's very important to know about these adjectives is it's immediately followed by a noun. So let's look at the first one, which. To be clear, it asks to make a choice between options, usually 2 options. Which road should we take? Should we take this road or that road? The second one is what, and it's more like a general choice. For example, what movie do you want to see? What's your favorite ice cream? So when you're asking about the difference between which and what is which, it kind of means that there are 2 or 3 options to choose from. Whereas with what, there are many options to choose from, and they're all generally speaking and not always obvious. The last one is whose, asks who something belongs to. Whose shoes are those? Oh, those are my shoes. Whose glasses are those? Those are her glasses. So the last adjective we're going to learn today is demonstrative, and this describes the which noun or pronoun you're referring to. This, that, these, and those. So this refers to singular noun close to you. For example, this is my dog Ozzy. Hi, Ozzy. That, singular noun far from you. For example, that is my chair. These, plural noun close to you. These are my markers. And those, plural noun far from you. Those are my jackets. So I hope you enjoyed this little video on adjectives 2 and review of adjectives 1. So adjectives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they're all going to be on the quiz on Monday. Please follow up with the adjectives 2 Google Forms sheet, and I hope to hear from you guys soon.